You're watching EDS TV.
This time, the whole ship is coming my way. Nice and slow. Maybe they're going for a...
The other driver reportedly said, "I didn't even see you." Well, you can't see a car if you don't look, so he probably was telling the truth. It just isn't a defense.
This guy
the Duke, he said. We missed you. Leto glanced at Jessica.
If I were the camera, I'd get that plate and report him to the police. He's putting lives at risk on the road with that annoying light. You are obligated to avoid crashes even if they are not technically your fault. This one could have been avoided simply by letting off the gas. A bicycle at night, no lights, no helmet, and going the wrong way. A total bozo of a cyclist. Everyone but the truck was paying as much attention as was required of them. It's just that none of them expected the truck to make that turn, so they were caught off guard. The car on the right, unfortunately, had it the worst.
But I have homework to do. I've got to get home.
Okay.
So, if we have time. Jesus!
This happens so often, I feel like it's becoming even more of a recurring issue these days. I've learned to always check both ways even when it's green. It saved me before and likely will save me again. I have two questions. Number one, how did this even happen? And number two, how is this person even allowed to drive, assuming that they even are? Why pass on a double line and then brake check? I thought the driver had somewhere important to be by the way that they're driving. But I also feel like there might be something missing from this dashcam clip as well, but this is the only thing that I got, so this is what I'm working with. This is literally insane. The driver spins out, crashes, and then speeds off again. This could possibly be a stolen vehicle, or the driver was too embarrassed to show his face, so he flew off, but that's just my hunch. Let me guess, nobody behind the camera for about half a mile. I feel like every time this happens, there's literally nobody behind. Idiots risk death over waiting 2 seconds, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. When will idiots realize that you can't outrun the radio? Sometimes that radio is even backed up by a helicopter or two. This is one of the most ultimate idiot moves. The total lack of commitment to their idiocy. It was entertaining watching everyone come over to inspect the damage. Little did that driver know there was a dashcam recording him, and let's just say that he learned his lesson the hard way. This absolute douche rolled coal on these cyclists. I don't understand the whole rolling coal culture. What do you accomplish by doing that? Now, this is a proper hydroplane, driving way too fast for the amount of water on the road. Hopefully he learned his lesson because going 80 miles per hour in the rain is downright stupid. The guy turning right is 100% an idiot and should learn to not just blindly assume all lanes are safe to cross. But I feel like he'll probably learn that lesson sooner or later. I wouldn't say this is hydroplaning. To me, this looks like it's more lousy tires. There wasn't enough water on the road to make the camera's tires leave contact with the tarmac. This is my exact fear anytime I have to use a double turn. I wonder if the curved dashed guide lane lines would help people remember how to make a basic turn, because this intersection needs them for sure. The truck driver rammed the construction barrels. I'm not sure what he hit, but he was leaking fluids afterwards, which tells me that this was a significant impact. The way these Charger, Challenger, and Mustang drivers treat their cars tells me one of two things. They're either stolen or financed with 0% down.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.